To add a credit card to your Dhgate account, start by logging into your account on the Dhgate website. Once you are logged in, click on the My Dhgate option at the top of the page. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. In your account dashboard, locate the Payment Options section and click on Add Payment Method. You will then be directed to a page where you can select the type of payment method you want to add. In this case, a credit card. Choose credit card as your payment method and fill in the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with your payment. After filling in the required information, click on the Add Payment Method button to save your credit card details. You may be redirected to a verification page to confirm your credit card information. Once your credit card has been successfully added, you can use it to make payments on Dhgate. It is essential to ensure that your credit card is valid and has sufficient funds to avoid any payment issues. When adding a credit card to your Dhgate account, make sure to follow best practices such as using a secure internet connection and keeping your account information confidential. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure a safe shopping experience. On Dhgate, adding a credit card to your Dhgate account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely add a credit card to your Dhgate account and start making payments for your purchases.